Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings, tapping General, then About. This displays capacity and available in GB. Once done, note both numbers because capacity is the total reported storage and available is what you can actually use. Make sure the phone is unlocked and responsive. If the screen is locked, the values won't update. You don't need a computer yet. Also verify your iPhone model line in About so you can confirm the advertised GB matches the reported capacity. Next, tap iPhone storage to get a visual breakdown of what's using space and why. You'll see System, Apps, Media, and Recommendations. Use those suggestions to quickly free space. Once you identify large apps or albums, tap each item to delete caches, remove conversations, or offload apps while keeping data. If you prefer a computer, connect to Finder or iTunes to view and manage files. Make sure to back up anything important before deleting, because removal can be irreversible. Finally, confirm the reported capacity against your iPhone model and the nominal GB sold. Formatting reduces usable GB, so differences are normal. Once confirmed, back up to iCloud or a computer, then delete large files or offload apps to reclaim space. If the capacity or available fields are blank or incorrect, restart the iPhone and check for an iOS update. If that fails, connect to Finder or iTunes on a computer to inspect storage. If problems...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.